This video explains how to apply the median function of the statistics module to calculate the median of a list object in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create an example list, as you can see in the first line of code. So after running this line of code, a new list object called myList is created. And we can print this list below the code box using the print function. So after running these lines of code, you can see that we have created a list object containing different numeric values. Now, if we want to use the functions of the statistics module, we also need to import the module, as you can see in the second code box. So after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of this module, such as the median function. And we can apply the median function, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code, I'm specifying that I want to use the statistics module. Then I'm specifying the median function. And then within the median function, I'm specifying the name of our list object. So in this case, our list is called myList. And then I'm also using the print function to print the output of the median function below this line of code. And then you can see below the code box that the median value of our list object is the value 4. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statistics.median, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.